Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to acquire the elusive Arg Chomik. This unique item is renowned for its insane difficulty, making it one of the most challenging collectibles in the entire experience. It truly tests your puzzle solving and navigation skills, requiring careful attention to detail and precise execution. Prepare for a demanding but rewarding journey as we uncover its secrets together. To begin your quest, your first objective is to gain entry into the cyber zone. This requires you to find 9 distinct pieces of text hidden across several diverse realms. Search diligently in areas like desert, blocky, and ice. Once you have all 9, arrange them to form a secret word. Typing this word into the game's chat will grant you access to the challenging cyber zone. Once inside the cyber zone, the real challenge begins. Your first step is to find a hidden button somewhere in the environment. After activating it, you will need to carefully navigate across a series of moving and static platforms. Following this, prepare to tackle the initial obstacle course, which demands precision and good timing. These early stages are vital for your success. The final phase involves entering a large spherical object and skillfully climbing a truss to reach higher ground. From there, you will face a second, even more intricate obstacle course, testing all your agility. After conquering this challenging obby, navigate inside a structure, making a right turn, then an immediate left. Completing these precise actions will finally reward you with the coveted Arg Chomik.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.